all you viewers to be named Miller, how we doing today? I know, sorry, in the alternate film room, so it's got this really weird shadowy look going on, alright? So, my YouTube timeline is filled with this controversy with Black Rifle Coffee. There's no controversy, guys. There's none. I'm watching people call Evan Hafer, Matt Best, Jared Taylor traitors. And I'm like, you guys are stupid. And for those of you who don't know, I'm going to break this down for you, okay? A little bit ago, I guess the My Pillow guy bailed Kyle Rittenhouse out of jail, with help with Ricky Schroeder and some other stuff. And if you don't know who Kyle Rittenhouse is, just Google Kenosha Kyle, alright? I will never mourn the people he shot because they're scumbags. I think it was a really, really messed up night in a messed up location for that kid to be in. But now he has to face the ramifications of his actions. So shortly after he got out of jail, someone slapped a Black Rifle Coffee t-shirt on him. And this dude who had an affiliate put a picture up. Hey, Kyle Rittenhouse, Black Rifle Coffee. Take a look right down below. Use this affiliate code. Buy product. And that created a bit of a stir. It's their company. Now, do I agree with them coming out and going, we don't support Kyle Rittenhouse, we don't do this, we don't do that? I don't care. It's their company. It's their stuff. It's their line that they have to toe. I get that guy who has the affiliate link that he posted, he saw dollar signs in his eyeballs. All right, just bing, 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 bing. People are going to click on this because Kyle Rittenhouse and, Black Rifle, Second Amendment. Oh, my God, yes, veterans, bro-vets. But you're calling people traitors. All right? The biggest thing that gets me is they're parading around that Evan Hafer donated to Barack Obama and betrayed his oath. He didn't betray shit. Have any of you ever actually served? And I'm not talking in this touchy-feely, sharp army where, oh my God, sergeants can't yell at privates. I'm talking about in the real freaking military where when you make a bet with someone, sometimes you have to end up doing some stupid shit in order to pay off your bet. From my understanding, Evan released a statement, and he said, yeah, when I was doing contract work, because he did a bunch of contract work, we had a shooting contest. I lost. I had to settle the bet. And they thought the funniest thing ever was to make me donate to Barack Obama's re-election campaign. I will give Evan all kinds of credit. He even donated to Tulsi Gabbard. Do I love all her policies? No, but she's a badass veteran woman. And Evan publicly stated, I donated to her because she called out and took the Clintons to task. Okay. People are losing their minds going, oh my God, they have people on their staff that donated to Act Blue. Who cares? Let's get honest for a moment. Who cares? You have a diverse workforce. If they want to donate to, I don't know, people tickling chickens, they can. If they want to donate to anti-gun groups while working for Black Rifle Coffee, they can. It is not a dishonorment to their oath. They didn't turn yellow. They're not Democrats in disguise and they're not fooling everybody. My God, I watched this one idiot today. He's like, I'm going to buy 2 My Pillows and give it to my Democratic grandparents. That's funny. You're being a moron. There's nothing wrong with what Evan did. Period. Okay? If you look at all the good and all the wonderful stuff that Black Rifle Coffee does, they help veterans like you wouldn't even believe. And they don't make a big splashy show of it because when you do it for the attention, you're doing it for the attention. You're not doing it for the right cause. And for all you idiots who want to know why Matt Best left contracting work, read his damn book. Now of course the camera takes a dump, but he doesn't owe us an explanation. He don't know a shit. He raised his hand, he took an oath, he served. Then he got into contracting work, talking about Matt Best. And even Evan Hafer did contracting work. Okay? I love the fact that they look at Evan and give him crap in Black Rifle videos, or at that point, Article 15 videos, and is like, just because you look like a teenager doesn't mean you're a badass. And Evan sits there and waves. He's like, hi. Guys, is this what we've come to as a society? Do I agree with Black Rifle's press release? No. They just should have left it alone, in my opinion, and not said anything. But because they said something and it stirred a pot and it got a whole bunch of the internet trolls going, I'm watching people going, oh, I'm burning all my Article 15 stuff and I'm throwing out my Black Rifle coffee. They got your money, moron. Do I think Black Rifle coffee is the greatest coffee on the planet? No. Sorry, I'm a New Englander. I go right to Dunkin' Donuts, okay? But after Dunkin', if I can't get that, seeing how I'm in the Pacific Northwest, I go to Black Rifle Coffee. Why? They're a veteran-owned company. And I always want to support veteran causes for products that I use. They're not traders. They're people running a business. And I get, in this cancel culture, if you supported Kenosha Kyle, people are going to come for you. If you didn't support Kenosha Kyle, people are going to come for you. Everybody thinks their opinion is the best on the planet. I know it's really weird, me making this video and saying that, right? My God, I watched a dude with 29 subscribers today giggling about how they're traitors and they should be strung up because in this country, there's Democrats, liberal scum, and there's everybody else who's true patriots. You idiot. If you're an American, you're a patriot. Do I agree with a lot of my friends on the left? No. But here's the funny part. I am open to have a conversation with them and hear their views and talk about my views. And at the end of that day, we're still friends. Do I agree with everything I see going on? No. I really, truly don't. I'm sick and tired of seeing cancel rent, cancel this, amnesty for everything, abolish this. No. You want to talk about abolishing the police? Look what's happening in Minnesota. Cops are walking off the job in droves. Crime rate has spiked, and now they're trying to bring frickin' cops in from other areas to help Minneapolis. Who would have thought that coming? Defund the police, who help keep scumbags away from normal people and help solve crimes and help move forward. Now, before all of you start throwing out all that BS about I'm a Nazi and I'm this, yeah, I know there's bad cops, just like there's bad bus drivers. There's bad school teachers. There's bad men's grooming companies. There's bad everything. But if you look for the bad, that's all you're going to find. Just like this BS with Black Rifle Coffee. A 29 subscriber YouTube channel has 5,000 views on a video because he's attacking Black Rifle. Call it me throwing my hat in the ring to support them. I don't see what they did wrong, and you're never going to make me see that they're traitors to the country, and they're traitors to the military, and they're traitors to the oath that they took. Oh my God, I had to get that out. I'm going to post this video. And if any of you guys with Black Rifle see this, you've got my full support. I know I'm a nobody. I'm a small frickin' YouTube channel. I don't care. I like your coffee. I drink your coffee. I love your videos. I love what you're doing. Keep it up. Keep your head up. This is going to pass. All right? That's all I got to say, guys. I can't wait to see the comments on this one because I bet some of you are going to get really, really interesting.